Hi, my name is Colin Lake. I'm a biologist with the Ministry of Natural Resources and Forestry, and I'm here at the Ganaraska River Fishway. Starting in 2016, we began stocking approximately 50,000 yearling Atlantic salmon each spring into the upper reaches of the Ganaraska. The Gani was chosen due to the excellent habitat as well as the existence of a well-functioning fish ladder at the Corbett Dam. To track the returning Atlantics, as well as the other migratory species, we installed a high-tech video fish counter that allows us to count the fish moving up the Ganaraska to spawn. In 2018, we counted over 25,000 migratory trout and salmon moving through the Ganaraska Fishway. The most abundant species were Chinook salmon and rainbow trout. It's important to note that we don't stock these species in the Gani. They're wild-produced fish that return to spawn here in the Ganaraska because the water quality and habitat are so good. When you come to Port Hope to enjoy the Ganaraska River, please remember, our fisheries matter and respect the river.